Hi everyone, Vera here from Hospitable, and I'm here today to give you an overview of our direct booking feature. So, without much further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, a bit about Direct and why should you care in the first place. Direct is a really good way to generate more revenue from your short-term rentals while avoiding the service fees of OTAs such as Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com. It also gives you a bit more freedom into how you want to treat your guests and how you want to run your business. With Hospitable, you will be able to do the following things when it comes to Direct. So, first of all, you will be able to create a direct booking website with us or use one of our widgets in case you already have a website up and running on a platform such as Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, etc. When it comes to our direct booking websites, you will get to pick which properties you want to list on them. You will get to pick the domain name or add your own custom domain to it. And you will also be able to customize your website. Things like themes, the photos that are shown, the blurbs about you and your business, your socials, etc., etc. With the widget, it's a simple HTML code that you can place on any existing website, and it will essentially connect your website to Hospitable to get all of that other good stuff, such as calendar syncing, automated. When it comes to the feature itself, you can find it in your Hospitable account under Direct, and you will be able to hit this nice Create New button to make either a new website or a new booking widget. Besides creating websites and using the widgets, one of the crucial factors in direct bookings is payment processing, also known as how do I get my money? We have you covered there as well. Under our payout section and payout methods, you will be able to connect your payout method. Right now, we support two payout methods. First one being Stripe, meaning that you need to have your own Stripe account that you can connect to Hospitable and get paid out through that Stripe account. Keep in mind, you have to make sure that your country actually supports Stripe in order to use it. Option number two is us as a merchant of record. What does this mean? This means that you connect your bank account to Hospitable and Hospitable processes the payments for you and pays them out to said bank account. This is a pretty good option because any chargebacks or refunds, Hospitable will be liable for, not you. Also, you are able to connect multiple different Stripe or bank accounts to Hospitable and tie them to specific properties. There is also the option of payout history where you're going to be able to see how your direct booking business is performing. You'll be able to see your balance as of today, as well as the balance for the last 30 days and the next 30 days as well. Now, besides giving you the option of creating a website in a couple of minutes or using our widget, there are also other important features that you can also put in to make your direct booking experience a whole lot better. First one being adding your own cancellation policies. You can do that by clicking on cancellation policies and then clicking on the add new button in the up right corner. Next, and this one is really exciting, is channels. Right now, any property that is on a custom made Hospitable website will automatically be listed on Google Vacation Rentals. This means that if anyone is Googling where to vacation in the area of your property, your property will appear in the Google search results and they can book straight from there as well, thus increasing that revenue. Next, we have Instant Book. This one is pretty self-explanatory. It is the option to either Instant Book or not to Instant Book, depending on what you decide to do. Another important thing is promo codes. So here you're able to add your own promo codes for your direct booking reservations. For the sake of the demo, I created this Book Direct one, and I'm going to open it just to show you how much you'll be able to customize with these promo codes. So first of all, you can give the code a name. You can select what the discount amount is going to be. Then you can add in restrictions. So for example, here is the expiry date for this specific promo code. Then we have qualifying stays. For stays during this period, that has been selected here. Then we have uses. So how many times can this code be used? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. Again, this will be up to you. You can also select the minimum length of stay, meaning for this amount of minimum nights, this code is available, as well as the minimum booking value. So here, the code will apply only when the sum of nightly rates is the number you've decided before the fees. You can also make the codes property specific. Once you're happy with your code, you hit save, and it's going to appear under your promo codes, where you're going to be able to copy the code. Once copied, you can either put it in your marketing campaign if you have one running, or you can simply message your guests with the code. So next time that they come around, they use the code and they book with you directly. In terms of billing and plans, we do have a couple of options when it comes to direct. The options are direct basic and direct premium. Direct basic is more of a do-it-yourself type of setup, meaning we're going to provide you with the website builder, with the widget, and Stripe as payment processing. This does mean that you do need to create your own Stripe account, connect it, and process payments by yourself. This also means that if there are any refunds or chargebacks, you're the one who's going to be dealing with said refunds or chargebacks. Then there is the direct premium option, which is more of a sit back, relax, we're going to do everything for you. And these are the following things that you're going to get with direct premium. First one is us as a merchant of record. What does this mean? This means that we are going to be the ones doing the payment processing for you. So if there are any chargebacks, any refunds, Hospitable deals with them, not you. All reservations will have a $5 million damage protection on them. We will also provide you with guest vetting and guest screening, things like background checks, ID checks, credit card checks, etc., to make sure that the guests that are staying are actually quality guests and nothing illegal is happening. And we will also help you with tax collection and tax calculation. Keep in mind that direct premium is currently only available for our hosts in the United States and Australia. We are working very hard to bring it to other countries. Our roadmap currently is Canada and UK are going to be next up. And for countries that do not have Stripe, we also have an option of Direct Lite. If you want to inquire about Direct Lite, please do so by directly messaging our sales team so we can help you out. With that being said, that would pretty much cover what direct bookings can do for you and how they can help you out, especially when it comes to maximizing that revenue. For any questions, I suggest reaching out directly to us, specifically to the sales team. We'd be more than happy to jump on a quick call with you guys to see what the best plan for you is, what the best use case is, and how to essentially help you jumpstart your direct booking business. With all of that being said, that will be it for me. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.